So many people, my friends, my family members, are carrying a lot of baggage and they don't even know. So you end up projecting or displaying them in so many areas of your life, and you realize that you could have just solved it if you spoke to somebody. And Daisy was there to hold my hand through it all. I was in a place in my life where I felt lost in so many areas of my life, both personal, career. I was really feeling stuck.
Coaching is about partnership, and the good news is that the client has all the answers. So as a coach, our work is to just ask questions that will direct the client into a solution that they desire for themselves.
In our first session of coaching, we did a visualization exercise. I was writing things that I felt stuck about on a board. And when I took a step back to look at what I'd written is when I realized there were so many areas that I needed to fix. So step by step, I realized who I am, what I'm passionate about, the arts, interior design, stuff that I love. So I realized that I could still do the creative side. So how I started is I first did my own house. We did it, just to gain my confidence. And then my family members also, everybody now, friends were asking me, come and do this, Dorothy, I'm trying to do this living room, I'm trying to do this bedroom, what can I do? And I'm feeling very proud because it's something that came out of a discussion that we had, and I took it up and followed it up. So through coaching, I was able to become lighter, I'm happier, and that has really, really worked very well in my family, and I'm really appreciating the opportunity to have met Coach Daisy. I think we all walk around this life having a lot of baggage sometimes, and we don't even realize we have the baggage. Because it's not about going to Coach Daisy when you're having a problem. It's actually going to see how to better your life. How do you be a better version of yourself?